It's October the 5th, and we're digging again. This is a tier wall, or the tier wall, that's what I've been calling it. This is the amount of earth that we've already moved today. We're excavating, well, we're just starting to excavate this wall. To give you some bearing, there's the top of the house, or there's the house. This is really the first level that we have. Right up here there's a walkway, and this wall is going to die right into this one. This is going to continue. I'm just in the process of connecting this piece of PVC. I'm going to put it inside the wall to see if I can get my curve right while Randy is digging this hole. So on the other side of this wall, sorry for the quick motion, we've got Jesse and Martine are working on the other excavation. So we excavated this. This is going to be the final wall. Well, sort of the final wall. We're working on the shape of this wall right at the moment, and the height. Here's the string line. So I think we got the height right. This wall will be just a little bit short, so it'll die straight into this wall. This morning, I took the bobcat and I shaved this hump off that used to be here. And that's what the darker material right here represents. We're definitely piling up dirt again. Easily have one more box of material. So work continues. We are all pretty busy right now.